one of the coolest fidget pen right here. So whenever I flip the pen open, it will change into this really cool design, and at the same time it is quite satisfying. You can go as fast as possible or as slow as possible, and it will build up. They have upgraded this pen. It used to be only half the size, now it's full size. I love it. Pretty fidgety. I got it here, can opener like that, so it becomes an actual glass. So twist it open, then push the button and then twist, and it will catch the top. Twist it all the way through, and it popped it, and then lift it up, and it makes a really smooth surface, so it becomes a cup. Got it here, next level gas stove. Let's test it out. Comes with a starter. Whoa, that is powerful. That looks like a jet engine. Whoa, that's too much. Probably never used that powerfully. But let's boil water. Oh, there you go. 510. Now it's fully boiled. Let it cool off and then lock it up. Really nice pouch. And boom. I bar a bit driver. Also, like a very satisfying clicker right here. So there's a magnet, linear holder right here. I guess it goes in here. That's it. And then we have a screwdriver. And there's for the bigger bits as well. And look at these ridges. It just flows so nice. Just one of a kind pry bar. I really like it. Very stylish too. Check out this cool travel vending machine. So you just swipe the car, open the door, and take as much as you want. Then it will automatically charge you.
What did you do?
Okay, then I touch my finger. Okay, I open. Then I can take whatever I want, and it will charge me. It will show up here. So one. Let's take one over here. Two. Let's take some chocolate maybe. So let's close it. And it will charge me $17 total. I got it here, original switch pliers, a little bit older. It's been used. That's the only ones that I've found. But yeah, to press the button and put it away. Doesn't take a lot of space. Push it, release it, and then I'd hear all of the goodies: can opener, screwdrivers, another bottle opener, and a knife. It locks in, and then push this to put it away. Snow Peak bipod camping stove for big pots, medium canister or small canister. Plug in the extender. I got a small canister. It will not work with big one, only small or medium. Boom. Example, big pot sits on really well. There's a big camping pots. Comes with a starter and it's very powerful. Ready to go. There's a striker hidden away here, and also the matches are much bigger. Wow. This is powerful. And burning really slow. Look at that. It has a really long burn time. Underwater test. Oh yeah, burning underwater well. And I don't have to shake it off. It burns right away after I pull it off. Yeah, this is great. One more time, line it up, pop it, and then just use the teeth to kind of cut it too. Trying to show you what it looks like on this end. Put it all the way through, get as much leverage, and boom. It does a pretty good job. Not the fastest, but such a unique little design right here. I love it. Right here, taco toasty. Turn your soft shell taco in a hard shell taco. It's a kind of shapes it and lock it. That's it. Okay, I think it's looking good. I'm gonna press stop. My toaster is too big, so it's a bit hot. Now I have a taco shell that is shaped and easy to load it up with tacos. It's kind of crunchy, kind of soft. So still soft, crunchy taco. I got it here, vintage coin sorter. So I put some coins in, then I shake it side to side. Now let's see how we do. One regret, I put too much of them. So $1, $half on top. The 25 cents going to be on the orange. All the 5 cents blue. All the 1 cents are red. And all the 10 cents be on the green bottom layer. That is cool. Let's try to open it. I got right here soda pump. So I will put the pump in and you see how soft that is, and I pump it up. Now the drop test. Wow, no way, it's holding up. Okay, so drop test again. Wow, nothing. Oh, it pointed at me. Well, it's holding up really well. Now let's try to open it. Whoa, that is insane. Got idea, next level stove. Check this out. Unfold the legs, open it, push it down and twist it. Then this will be a heat shield. Slide it in and twist it. Ooh, that's powerful. And I can set this up for smaller pots, or I can remove it and put a bigger pot on. I'll go back inside here. This too. Boom. Hey guys, I'm at the blade show. Check out what I just picked it up. One of this box cutter. If I pull it forward, we have a little box cutter. Push it back. There's the blade. Boom. This is kind of left-handed, and the right-handed would be opposite. Boom. One of a kind. Looks like a fingerprint to me. Beautiful. There's different designs. It's not on eBay, on Amazon, but this is what it's called. I guess we'll tie it this way and then cut it. Ooh, that is just satisfying. And all the pieces are just going to be perfect. The only thing is I have to dump them out like this. Next to it. Missed it. Wow, that is so hilarious. So just slide it, cut it, dump them. Okay, one more. That is so satisfying, and it's just perfect. It's a perfection for sure. At Blade Show found the most efficient pen. So first of all, bottle opener, window breaker. We have right here screwdriver bits on a magnet. Window breaker pops up, and then you put your screwdriver bit in and then back in. Of course, and of course actual pen. I love it. What a quality design. Here folding axe. Check this out. Open it. Then there is actually don't open it all the way because that's a secondary lock out here. So keep this open, unlock it, then lock it. Boom. Leah hatchet will be ready about 3 months. Then unfold this and then lock it. Lock it. Comes with a sheath. Wow, that is cool. I love folding axes. You push on these magnets and it flips over and you have right here all your beads. This is so cool. So you get the bead you need, you flip it back over and you have right here a screwdriver. That is incredible. Use it, turn it, and then push it back in, flip it over. You have them all here. This is a prototype. It's going to be out soon. Stay tuned. Boom, that is insane. Jiraki design and audacious concept collaboration. Next level bead driver. Check this out. There's drum spinning inside here and bolt action. You line it up with this and then you push this forward and lock it. And you have a screwdriver. Then you push it back, it'll push it away. Then you can get a different driver and you gotta line it up this way. Turn, push up. Beautiful. That is one of a kind. I love that design. Hey guys, I'm at the Blade Show. CVV prototype set here. It will be out in a couple of months. There's a lock, boom, a handle, camping for fish gutting and things like that. That is so cool. And then lock it, and then liner lock, boom, one of a kind. I cannot wait for this one to come out. Definitely very unique. Next level bead driver. We got right here 7 beads. So if you need a screwdriver, they sit on a magnet so they're not gonna fall out easily. And then right here we have a bead driver. Boom. Check this out. All the beads on a magnet, so it's pretty easy to take them all out, put them back in, grab a different one. And also if you remove all this, you can use this as a regular capsule. It's like simple improvement becomes such an awesome tool. Weirdest water bottle I ever seen. It's called Crushmatic. Check this out. When you open it and close, it becomes into this very unique design, and it's very grippy and comfortable. And then whenever I'm closing it, it's nice and flat. So unique. They also make pens, but now there's a water bottle. I love it. I got it here, next level bottle opener at the front. As you can see, it opens quickly. If you hit it, reset it, works again. If you hit something, doesn't hurt, and it works again. And it's really satisfying. There's a clip, so if you need to open a bottle, just grab it, boom, and then put it away and need it again. Another one. It is just really well designed. It works really good. Hot dogger. It is basically hot dog cooker that it electrocutes your hot dogs and makes them cooked. There's a plug for safety. Cook 5 hot dogs in 60 seconds. So I had to be patient, and it's cooking. Sounds like electricity sparking. Do you hear that? Woo. Okay, let's see what happens. Now remove it. It's pretty cooked hot dog. That's hilarious. Wow, it's hot. Here, pretty unique ice cream scoop for maybe ice cream cookie maker. Okay, or like ice cream sandwich maker. Let's put it in and twist a bunch. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to squish it down into the cookie. Push it down and hold the cookie to where its ice cream gets squished all the way out. Then lock it and it will cut the ice cream. Boom. And second cookie, you have ice cream sandwich. I got it here, titanium pen with a very tricky little hidden thing on the back over here. There's little tweezers, so if you need to remove a splinter, easy, or there's a little pick to remove the splinter, or like a toothpick. Very cool. This is designed by Big Idea Design and Knaf's collaboration, and also a refill. So remove that, cheap refill right here. Vintage see-through pencil sharpener. Got it here, old pencil. Let's see how it does. Oh yeah, this is powerful. Once it's going, boom. And now it's not sharpening anymore because it's to the end. And look at that precision. Wow. Check out my new keychain gadget. Boom. Plugs in like this, like a carabiner, tri-lock. Boom, you have a little unboxer. And then open closes. There's a bunch of magnets, holds it together, and now we have a carabiner that is really easily attaches to a keyring. I love that. Made by Diraki Design and Audacious Concept collaboration. Inside here you have actual stove. So just pop these two things out and boom, you have right here double stove, frying pan, and the second one is to boil water. That's an amazing system. Works really smoothly. Check this out. Pack it away, then put the cover on, and this fits right over the cover. Just don't forget to bring with you a bunch of fuel. What's up guys, I got it here, most advanced water blaster. There's a new features of leak, burst, and open. Look how fast it's refilling. Boom, 100. Right now we're going to put it on burst. Whoa, 1, 2, 3. What? Open. So it's just semi. Move it to the leg, let's see. So you run out of power. Press and hold. It's pumping up and release. Whoa!